shit, that's disgusting.
Seems like you have a hairy situation.
Ew. I'll kill you. Okay. Let's stop. God damn it. Please help me. So
What the fuck?
not that, man.
Well, you're killing trees, man.
Ooh, can you get the gloves?
Oh, good idea. Oh, God, it's so gross.
Hurry! It's right there!
It's a big box and 5 gloves.
Oh, because I have like 4 hands, right?
Can you please stop videotaping?
No, it's really uncomfortable. Ew. I did not expect that.
What did you expect?
Can you stop? What the hell?
That's the hair that came out from mustache.
It looks like you're about to make s'mores.
That wasn't funny. Like I'm about to make s'mores. It's a disgusting s'more.